quick disclaimer before this video starts. This video is for educational purposes to identify and explain based on my knowledge and research the use of these God-given plants. If you are being prescribed or taking any medication, find out from a doctor if these herbs can be used alongside your medication. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, I am Sasha. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and by the title you already know what we'll be discussing today. So I know I promised in the first ever video that I did on bushes or bush tea or herbs, whatever you might call it, but I call it like bush tea for us Jamaicans, that we use to boil to make tea for different use and purposes. So it's been a long while since I haven't done one of those type of videos. I'm seeing that's the video that people gravitate more towards on my channel, so I'm like, why not do this? And it's also very healthy for me because I'm learning something alongside the way, and I'm being healthy by taking these bushes for myself and to teach you guys as well based on my knowledge and what I've been taught by my parents and other relatives that are used to these type of bushes. So I'm going to explain it to you. So I have one bush here today that we'll be discussing, and its name is Jaclyn bush. That's what we call it here in Jamaica. Correct me if I'm wrong. Probably in different parts of the world it's called something different, because in the previous video other people reminded me, tell me that the bushes are called other names in certain countries, which I knew was going to happen. So correct me down below if wherever you're from, if it's called another name aside from Jaclyn bush, let me know. I like to hear from you guys and learn about your culture and different plants and bushes. So yeah, if you're hearing the background noise, that's birds. I'm tired of having to tell you guys I am sorry because of the background noise, but my yard is full of black birds and they come here almost every day to make noise and to eat out the food out of the dog pan. So yeah, on to the video. So here we have it. So I got this about 2-3 days ago, and this is how it looks by the time it dry. I hope you guys can see it from here. I hope you guys still have a good idea of how it looks. So yes guys, this is how it looks after putting it down for some days. So you know that trees are going to wither after some time. They're not going to remain fresh, but I hear from my grandmother it is the sweetest. I'm not going to lie, I never had this before, and I'm going to try it today if I can and see how it tastes. She said it tastes the sweetest when you just pick it off the tree and you use a couple of the leaves and put it into a cup of boiling water and let it simmer down or boil for a couple minutes. And when it's green and you have that that smell, that savor. Bruno, can do video. Go back. That's my dog, guys. He want to come on, but not time to be right now. So yeah. So it is good for belly aches, and it is also good, mostly good for colds and flu. That's what I hear from my grandmother, my mom, my grandma, my dad. It's good for cold and flu. That's the main purpose for it, flu, you know. And one ever want to distract me, eh? Yes guys, sorry about that. So if you're having any tummy ache, you can boil it. Bush tea is something you have to use your indiscretion for, meaning that you're supposed to use it as how you feel. And as I said before in the beginning, that if you're taking medication, please ask your doctor as to how to take this, and it will guide you. I'm just here for educational purposes to tell you guys like what time thought it's used for. And yeah, this is the only bush for today. I'm sorry this video is a bit short. When I get other bushes from my dad, because he's the one that keeps sponsoring this video and keep carrying his bush, because he has a farm. I should do a video of the different things that he plants. He has a nice farm and it's going good for him. He has different herbs, bushes you can boil for tea, and fruits and vegetables as well. So one day I'll show you guys his farm and let you guys get a more broad and detailed video of different bush and medicine, bush or herbal tea, whatever you may describe it as. So yeah, this is the bush tea for today, Jaclyn bush, and I'm gonna test this out now and probably tell you guys along. Do you want to see me boiling it? I think you do. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. So before adding in the leaves into the water to boil, I wash the leaves off first because cleanliness is next to godliness, right? And it is always advised to wash anything concerning bushes for tea, fruits and vegetables before consuming. Then after, I pick the leaves off the branches and place them in my teapot. Yeah, I know I am washing the leaves again. I am a bit paranoid when it comes on to washing things, so please don't judge me. I feel like some people are like me. Tell me down in the comments, are you a bit paranoid when it comes on to washing your fruits, your vegetables, your bush tea and all that good stuff? So this is how it looks after washing it a second time, so it's a good thing I did it again. Look at that water. So I'm going to throw it off. Now I'm going to set the water that I'm going to be using to boil the leaves with. So now it's time to pour. Since it is ready to drink, the smell of this tea is strong. That's one of the ways you can know when it's ready or near ready. Well, tea bush in general usually carry a strong herbal smell, which is pleasing to the nose. So this is how it looks. I don't know if you can see it from the angle of the camera, but yeah, now I'm just adding in a teaspoon of sugar, brown sugar that is. If you want, you can use it without sugar. It's all up to you, because I know some diabetic won't be able to, you know. So this is how I make Jaclyn bush tea. Nothing much to it. You use the amount of leaves you desire. Bear in mind, the more leaves you use, the stronger the tea. So be mindful and limit the amount of water to boil your tea with, because you don't want it too weak in flavor, but also not too strong. Only if you prefer it like that. Overall, the tea isn't bad when I tasted it. It has a tiny taste of bitterness, if that makes any sense, but it's hardly noticeable and it tastes good and a good source of nutrition for the body. It's a God-given plant for us to consume, so that's a given. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed, please click that subscribe button because it supports my videos, and don't forget to give this video a like. Until next time, bye. And thank you guys so much again for watching, and yeah, just continue enjoying this as aesthetically, is that how you pronounce it, aesthetically pleasing video of me relaxing, you know, drinking my tea, reading my well, I can't lie, I wasn't, you know, but for the video I have my Bible there. So yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. Until next time, bye.